How do I know if I am progressing in my meditation? Those who meditate a lot often develop a subtle form of ego. They become pleased with the idea that they are making progress. They become pleased with the states of peace and bliss that they enjoy. They become pleased that they have learned to exercise some control over their wayward minds. Or they may derive some satisfaction that they have found a good guru or a good method of meditation. All these feelings are ego feelings. When ego feelings are present, awareness of the self is absent. The thought, I am meditating, is an ego thought. If real meditation is taking place, this thought cannot arise. Don't worry about whether you are making progress or not. Just keep your attention on the self 24 hours a day. Meditation is not something that should be done in a particular position at a particular time. It is an awareness and an attitude that must persist throughout the day. To be effective, meditation must be continuous. If you want to water a field, you dig a channel to the field and send water continuously along it for a lengthy period of time. If you send water for only 10 seconds and then stop, the water sinks into the ground even before it reaches the field. You will not be able to reach the self and stay there without a prolonged, continuous effort. Each time you give up trying or get distracted, some of your previous effort goes to waste. You divide your life up into different activities. I am eating, I am meditating, I am working, etc. If you have ideas like this, you are still identifying with the body. Get rid of all of these ideas and replace them with a single thought, I am the self. Hold on to that idea and don't let go. Don't give these I am the body ideas any attention. Learn to recognize them the moment they arise or deny them. Stay firmly in the self and don't allow the mind to identify with anything that the body does.